life is an endless river. Life is a river of endless flow. Do not know why, but this is just something keep coming to me, that keeps coming to me all the time these couple of days. There is something that lingering around in my mind these couple of days. Maybe because this is the emotional time end of the school year. As a teacher, this is an emotional time, and every year I get it, that it's time to say bye-bye to some students. They graduate, they grow up, they live on to the next chapter of their life. And it's such an honor, it's such a privilege that I can be part of their life. I can be part once in their lifetime. When they grown up, I participated. They will be great people. They will be great human beings in this world. Well, they will be a grown-up, however they be. I am part of someone growing up. It is emotional. And today is particularly emotional. I went to class, and this is the last class for this particular class, 5th grade. They are going to middle school, and for some reason, some students have class, some students do not have class, have other class. And they cried for not having class with my class. And it's very touching, that moment. And they need help. We walk together. Such an emotional moment. And I see some students saying bye-bye. This is the last class of him. And I have seen his siblings. And I have seen their parents from young, energetic seasons into white hair, equally elegant, equally energetic. Just see their life. It's been more than 10 years seeing this beautiful family. And today will be the last. Today was the last 2 hours. I see their family. One of their family having class with me, and many more. No matter what is happening, no matter how much change is happening, as long as we decide, as long as we hold strong with ourselves, stay centered with ourselves, with goodness, with good value, with what we believe in, we will not be lost. No matter what is happening around me, no matter what is happening away from me, or no matter what is happening in this world, as long as I am with my heart, as long as my heart is inside my body, inside my value, inside my stronghold, inside my solitude, I feel so calm, so indifferent of things exterior of myself. I feel very comfortable, very calm. People go to have a better job, go to have a better pay, go to have a better place in life. Good for them. There is no need to make comparison. There is a need to see the good things in my life, in myself. I am packed in a tree-laced neighborhood with trees along the road, platane trees, a lot of shade and shadow. It's beautiful. And in front of me, there is a tree with leaves. The sunshine on the tree, the top is yellowish green, lemonish green, and when there are a lot of leaves, it becomes dark, becomes bluish green, turquoise green. It's exactly like watercolor, and this is exactly what we are doing today in my class with some students. We did tree, and this becomes so real. Art is life. Life is art. And this is real. If we focus on this tree, on this piece of leaf, on this cluster of leaves, we see truth, we see life, we see something universally true and important, is that we need to occupy our mind with truth. And truth can be found through a piece of leaf, through a tree. When you get sunshine, you grow. When there is too much leaf, it becomes dark. When we get love, we prosper. We shine up. When there is too much things, when there is too much competition, when there is too much, none of these leaves can get to their full blossom. However, they can find their way to live in the compromised condition, but still make the best of their compromised condition, and through the compromised condition live to their very best. Do I make any sense? I am eyeing on this tree. When there is sunshine, it prospers, yellowish young leaf, and a lot of leaves cluster. The leaf becomes darker, becomes older, but it's the community of all these leaves together make this tree look real, look unique, look versatile, look complete. Each leaf has its own place in this tree. Each of our life has a unique place in this universe. each of our feeling, no matter happy, prosperous, cramped, stuffed, uncomfortable, compromised, has its place. Each of these feelings has its place in our life to make us a complete person. What a beautiful tree. This is doing me good. Sitting here, have a moment of serenity is doing a big good to me. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.